Welcome back, everybody. So glad you can be here with me today. Walter here at the workbench with my Stanley number 5. Once again, I took the blade set out, made sure everything was honed and polished accordingly, and I'm getting curls. Not flat shavings, no. Round curls. Try different thickness settings. When they get really, really thin, they are somewhat straighter. So I don't know. But the nice thing about this is I am going through each of my planes, making certain each and every one of them is in their most perfect setup. Trying desperately to get used to planing again. And it's hard. So I was reading today about a book. The book is called Good Work. Now, I have not read the entire book. I have not gotten into it, but there were a few little things that have come out so far. And it has to do with the ability to do good work within an ever advancing technological world. Now, this was written back in the 1970s. And there was thought going into some things back then. In regards to workers, the emotional aspects of technology and how it affects the worker. And while efficiency can always reduce the cost of goods, it does not always improve the life of the worker or the satisfaction that the worker achieves by doing good work. So in this regard, I could have a power jointer sitting over here, and I could take this board and pass it over a power jointer, and if set up properly, everything will be straight and square. But that worker is no longer, in my opinion, a wood worker. They are now a technician. Oh, but Walter, they could have said the same thing years ago, going from wooden-bodied planes to the iron-bodied planes. You're no longer a wood worker. Possibly. Now, this I don't understand. I'm getting 50% straight shavings from my single iron woody, and I don't get that from my double iron jack plane. Let's try backing off the chip breaker a bit. So, getting back to the thought of doing good work, you know, there used to be a certain amount of satisfaction in doing a good day's work for several reasons. Number one, you were productive. You produced something. I don't care what that was. Baking a loaf of bread, making an apron, making a shirt, making a hat, building a building, making tools. But there was always that, hi, I'm home, and knowing that you were going to sit down to dinner and you had completed a good day's work. Whereas today, with technology, everything is going so fast that you are now a technician as opposed to a craftsperson or artist or even a doctor. So I don't know. I'm going to be interested to finish reading this book called Good Work. I had to find it online because I couldn't find a print copy of it. So there's the shaving with the chip breaker set back. It's not straight, but it's not curled up in a curly Q. So let me know your thoughts on doing good work and today's technological world. All I know is that there is so much artificial stuff out there now. It's so hard to determine what is real and what is not. That's better. So thanks for stopping by. It means a lot to me. I hope you're having a good day. So we've gone through the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, the number 4.5, and all of them will not make straight shavings, no matter what I do. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.